Hi, this is Phil Bouchard with National Title Company in Las Vegas, here for another title tutorial. Today we're going to talk about deeds upon death or beneficiary deeds as provided for in Nevada Revised Statutes Chapter 111.109. We have recently seen an increased number of these deeds being presented at title for closings of real estate transactions. And I want to caution everybody about one of the aspects of these beneficiary deeds, or deeds upon death as we call them in kind of in layman's terms. With the beneficiary deeds as provided for under the Nevada Revised Statute, there is an 18-month period after the death of the grantor in that beneficiary deed or those beneficiary deeds, where creditors have an 18-month period to step forward, make a claim, and use the decedent's real property as security for the debt that particular creditor may have been owed. 18 months is a long time for heirs of a decedent to hang on to a property before they can either refinance it or sell it. Oftentimes it becomes a greater burden than a benefit. There's certainly better ways to deal with an individual who owns a home, owning the property in a trust or having a joint tenant. Those are just two of the ways that I think the situation could be improved for the heirs of the decedent. I've had this discussion with several legal firms here in Las Vegas, and we found that oftentimes the reason for the beneficiary deed as opposed to deeding the property into a trust was not to impair the title insurance of the attorney's client. Well, these days most title insurance policies do cover a conveyance from the individuals that own the property into a trust that they may create and deed into at a later date. If the title policy does not provide for that, there's a 107.9 endorsement that's very inexpensive. I think most title insurance companies would probably charge under $100 for that type of an endorsement to the policy, and then that trust would be an insured under the policy. Come back next week for another title tutorial. If you have any questions about beneficiary deeds, you can reach me at 702-525-4240. Thank you.